Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does a prescriptive easement transfer with the sale of property? The short answer is yes, it absolutely does, and understanding why is critical for any buyer or seller. A prescriptive easement is a right to use someone else's land that is acquired through long-term, continuous use, not through a written agreement. Think of it as a right earned through action. For this to happen, the use must generally be open, notorious, continuous for a state-required number of years, and hostile, which simply means it was done without the owner's permission. So, imagine a neighbor has been using a portion of your driveway to access their backyard for over 20 years. They might have legally established a prescriptive easement. Now, the crucial point is that this type of easement is what's legally known as an easement appurtenant. This fancy term means the easement is attached to the land, not to the person. It runs with the land. Think of it like a built-in swimming pool or a permanent shed. When you buy the property, you get those features. The same goes for the easement. The property that benefits from the easement is called the dominant estate, and the property that is burdened by it is the servient estate. When the owner of the dominant estate sells their property, the new owner automatically inherits the right to use that easement. It doesn't need to be specifically mentioned in the deed, although it's always best practice to have it legally documented. Conversely, if you buy the servient estate, you are buying it subject to that easement. The new owner of the neighboring property will still have the right to use that portion of your driveway. You cannot simply tell them to stop. This is why due diligence is so important when purchasing property. As a buyer, you need to look for physical signs of an easement, like a well-worn path or a gravel road that crosses a property line. You should always get a new survey done, as it may reveal uses you wouldn't otherwise notice. For sellers, disclosure is key. Failing to disclose a known prescriptive easement can lead to legal trouble after the sale. So, the ultimate takeaway is this: a prescriptive easement is a powerful right that becomes a permanent feature of the property itself, automatically transferring from one owner to the next, impacting both the property that benefits and the one that is burdened. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about real estate law explained in simple terms, please hit